Hello guys, welcome to Visual Food Hub. Let's make this delicious, easy and healthy breakfast together. Take one cucumber and peel the cucumber. Once you peel the cucumber, slice it like this. Also slice and arrange one small onion. I'm using here butter. Let melt the butter. And then I'm adding ginger garlic paste and mix it both together. I'm adding here salmon fish. Let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Season it. Once salmon get fried, let's flip it to the other side. Add bit of salt according to your taste. Some pepper. Then I'm adding teriyaki sauce. You can get this in any Asian shops or any supermarket. I'm adding almost 1 tablespoon. Let it cook another 2 to 3 minutes this side also. It's perfectly cooked. I'm adding bread into butter to give more flavor. Let's do the rest. Add sliced onion into the bread. Add sliced cucumber into the bread. Bring fish onto the bread. Let's cut the sandwich. Sorry for that. Let's move on to the plate. Let's add some more salt to the cucumber. Also, let's add some pepper into the cucumber. And guys, let's enjoy. If you like the meal, hit the comment. If you like to support, hit the like button. Thank you.